All right, so we are doing the tail housing seal or extension housing seal, whatever you want to call it. That seal right there, it is leaking. So you're gonna have to take out the drive shaft. There's 4 bolts, 12 millimeter, 12 points. You want to match which side you are doing, and the red side is right there. So that's the side that's gonna go on the bottom. The bolts had yellow Loctite. This is what they look like. Okay, so oh, a little bit came out, as you can see. Just gonna drop that in the drive shaft. Pick up the phone. Okay, that is the seal we are going to change. We're just going to get it out of there by tapping on. Oh, there's a little lip right here. Why is it? Oh, there you go. There's a little lip right here. You're gonna get a chisel or a flat tip, very sharp, in here and push it out. So as you can see, that's all the PB blaster I put onto the bolts before I started. This is where the seal mates on. It is I forgot to say this, but it's a very good idea to chalk your wheels before taking out your drive shaft. That is not gonna be a good time. Okay, let me see the camera. Okay, as you can see, that little lip right there, you want to hit it at an angle that way to push it out and not get onto this. Just wanted to make that clear. Kind of just want to work your way around it too. It's coming off very easily.
For now. I'll grab the camera in a little bit. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it is coming out. Nice. Got my knuckle there on my finger.
And that's all she wrote. Wasn't a lot of fluid. Bingo! Let's freaking go. I'm gonna put a rag under this so it's not dripping a lot, just on the ground. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what we're looking at now. This is the seal. Obviously it's damaged because I've taken it off, but yeah. A lot of homies show love. Out the old, and we wait on the new. Look at our helper today. Hi, Boba. What's up? Are you making biscuits? Huh? All right. Got the seal. That's new and old. And I was looking through my ball joint stuff, compressor stuff, and this one is the perfect size. It's like that. Another rag or something. Take some of that, my friend. Take some more of that, my friend. Okay. Now that we have it all nice and good, just gonna place like that. You're gonna want to do it flat. Let me see if I can place likewise. Place likewise. It's already going crooked. Bam. Put it right there. Hold it with your hand. Oh shh. Good thing I haven't smacked it yet. Oh, look at that. Oh, my ear. Just like that, my friends. Then you're just gonna put, you gotta make sure there's no gap anywhere. Nice. That went in very nicely. Put my Loctite with my 4 bolts right there. Driveshaft. The inside of the driveshaft has, well, from the transmission side, has teeth that are supposed to line up with those teeth that I was cleaning off in there. Okay. Bingo. That lined up beautifully. Okay, now I'm going to put my Loctite on and thread the bolts, so I don't put this up for too long like this. So okay, that's one. That's 2. Okay, well, this is already being captured, so I'll put you guys over here. So as you can see, those are the 2 bolts. I'm gonna put Loctite on the other ones and then start to tighten them.
Appreciate you guys heard that. Get the hard ones out of the way. Okay. Let's go.
I don't know if you guys just saw that cat. Okay. Bingo.